guys, welcome back. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe and join the NiqueNique squad, and also make sure you hit that notification bell twice so that way you'll never miss an upload from me. And if you're old, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So now that we're in fall, well, technically here in the south it's still kind of hot, but fall is still right around the corner as far as weather goes. But yeah, I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a fashion haul video today. So yeah, I've been needing to update my wardrobe here lately, especially with the new season being here and me still, you know, kind of struggling with my baby weight, which I still haven't lost completely. But fall is my favorite season because I get to layer and you don't really have to worry about showing too much if you don't want to. So today's video is being sponsored by Dailylook, and I remember back in the day I used to shop their website all the time because they always have some cute clothes on their website. So I'm super excited to be partnering with them for this video. And if you don't know about Dailylook, they're a premium subscription box service where they send you all kinds of different styles of clothing items in this cute little box. Well, it's a pretty big box actually. So with this service you get your own personal stylist, and the styling fee is $40 a box. And Dailylook is pretty flexible with their delivery. Like, you can select whether you want a box every month, twice a month, every 3 months, or if you want to skip out, you can do that. Totally up to you, no strings attached. But yeah, with the styling fee, you're going to get your own professional personal stylist who's going to work really hard curating your box based on your personal style and preference. So when you first sign up on the website, you're going to take this little quiz, like a style profile, and you just fill out your sizes, what kind of outfits you like, what kind of occasions you go to, or you know, just different information just to get an idea of your style. There's even like a little section where you can put in some optional notes, like if you want to tell your stylist what you want to avoid or what you really like or what you're looking for, you can totally put that in there. But once you're done with the quiz, the stylist is going to take in all of that information and do all the hard work for you. Now, you do get a chance to preview the box before they send it, and you have up to 24 hours to switch up to 3 items if you see something you don't like. It's really easy, hassle-free, plus there's free shipping and returns, and I think right now Dailylook is only available in the United States. So sorry. Once you get your box, you have a few days to try on everything, see what you like, see what you don't like, and I think there's like 5 days before you have to check out on their website. That's when they charge you. But yeah, if you like something, you can keep it, and if you don't like something, you can ship it back, and you only get charged for the items that you keep. Alright, so now for the fun part, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So everything is inside this blue box here, and it's really cute, right? I really love the ribbon. Whew, guys, this box is super heavy. But yeah, right on the top there's a note here from my personal stylist, and I'll share just a little bit of it with you. Okay, so right on top of everything was this little envelope here, and it includes the personal stylist note as well as the return instructions. And it does come with this little return label in case you need to return something. And on the back here is a note from my stylist, and she personalized it. How cute is that? Hello, Dominique. Hey, girl. She says, styling you was so much fun. With fall and winter fast approaching, I wanted to give you a few warm pieces that you can layer with your existing wardrobe. She also included like different styling tips based on the different pieces that she sent me. And apparently there's a bomber jacket in here because she went on my Instagram page and checked out my style. So that's how you know you got a really good stylist, y'all. Like, they really pay attention and handpick items that they think you're gonna love. And I remember when I took my quiz on my style profile, I left a little note to let my stylist know that I'm really self-conscious about showing off too much of my stomach area or my back just because I haven't met my weight goals yet. But yeah, hopefully she took that into consideration. Okay, so the first piece on top is this jumpsuit, and it's really good quality. I think this is chiffon material if I'm not mistaken. But off bat, I really love this charcoal gray color. The sleeves are really nice and flowy, plus I love this off the shoulder detailing. And it does come with a little strap here to cinch in at the waist. And are these pockets? Oh, yay, we have pockets. Pockets make me happy. I think this is really cute, and I think that this would be perfect for like maybe a casual brunch or a date night. So I could wear this with either, you know, some flat sandals or heels. So I really like this. This is really cute. Okay, so next here we have this long cardigan, and it's in this heather gray color, which I really love. I'm a sucker for gray. I love neutrals. Again, this is really good quality. It does have some weight to it. So I feel like this is going to be perfect for fall and keep you very warm. So yeah, this thick material is definitely going to keep you warm, comfy, and cozy. Plus you can layer up with a scarf if you want. And I really love that there's no buttons on this cardigan. Like, it's just an open detailing, like this kind of waterfall design going. And I really like that the sleeves are ribbed. Automatically, I'm picturing myself wearing this all bundled up with a scarf and just sipping on my coffee. Ugh. Okay, so next here we have this bomber jacket. And again, like I was telling you, the stylist that I have, she went on my Instagram page and saw that I had a bomber jacket in olive green. So she got me this one in black, and it comes with this gold detailing, which I really love. Y'all know I'm a sucker for gold. And I'm really glad that she picked out this bomber jacket for me, because I have been wanting to get more of them. So now I have options. And I feel like jackets are just a must for fall anyway, because depending on what time of day it is, it may be a little chilly outside. And I love the fact that she got me this one in black, because I feel like this will go with everything. So yeah, there's this nice little design on the sleeve here with the gold zipper. And then there's pockets on the front as well. So I really like this. This is cute. Okay, so next we have this purple strappy top here. Now, I don't know how appropriate this would be for fall, because I feel like this is not going to keep you as warm as some of the other pieces, but you can definitely layer this up with like a thick knitted scarf or something. It does have long sleeves and it buttons at the wrist, and the material feels really good. I think this is also like a chiffon material. Not really sure, but yeah, this is cute. I just, like I said, don't know how fall appropriate this is. And then also, I don't have anything in my wardrobe like this. Okay, so next we have a pair of high-waisted skinny jeans, and these are really cute. And I love that they're dark jeans, because the ones that I had, I can't fit anymore. But yeah, these are really cute, and you can't go wrong with a pair of jeans for fall. These are super soft, that I'm noticing. And yeah, the material is really stretchy. So yeah, this has a really nice stretchy material to it. It feels really good, really soft. And I feel like this is going to show off my curves really nicely and fit me like a glove. So I'm loving these. Okay, so this next piece just screams fall to me just based on the colors. You have some mustard, burgundy, navy, and white here. I really love the stripe design, and if you don't know, I am a sucker for stripes. Like, I really love that pattern. Even though this is a cropped top, I told my stylist in the notes that I was okay with it as long as she paired it with some high-waisted jeans, which she did. So I think that these would pair really well with the ones that I just showed y'all. But yeah, I really love this. I'm in love with this top, y'all. Like, I'm also getting 90s vibes from this. Ooh, so next we have some cargo pants, and these are very on trend for fall if you don't know, and I haven't owned a pair until just now. So I really love that she sent me these, because I've been wanting a pair for the longest time. And I really like this black color because, again, it just goes with everything. So it's really easy to pair an outfit with. In fact, I would probably wear this with that black bomber jacket and maybe like a graphic tee. But yeah, I really like these, and they're stretchy at the waist, which I love. Oh, and thank God it comes with a drawstring. Like, that's one of my biggest, you know, struggles when it comes to finding pants that fit me, because my waist and my butt don't really match. So yeah, this is going to cinch in nicely at the waist. And there are pockets on the front, of course, as well as on the back. And they also have pockets on both sides of the legs. Okay, so I almost didn't see this, but at the ankle there's a hidden zipper here, and it kind of, you know, cinches in at the ankle, which I really think is a cute touch. I really like these. Like, now I'm wanting more pairs of these in different colors, like maybe a burgundy, like a deep burgundy, or olive color. Yeah, that would be cute. Okay, so this next piece is a navy blue off the shoulder top, and it does have some white pinstripe designs going on here. And again, I do love stripes, and the sleeves are like this little bell sleeve design with the flared out ends, and you can also tie it. I don't know what material this is, but it does feel really soft, and I could probably get away with wearing this with those high-waisted jeans as well. Okay, so next we have a pair of mid-rise distressed jeans, and I really like this design. I do have a pair of distressed jeans, but not like this one, so I'm happy to add this to my collection. Again, we have super stretchy material here, and what I love about these is the ankles. Like, look at this frayed hem design. I've been wanting a pair of jeans like this since last fall, I believe. This is a really nice touch, and I can't wait to wear it. In fact, I would probably pair these jeans with that heather gray cardigan. I think that would look really good together. Alright guys, so that was everything that came in the box. I think it was a total of 9 pieces. So some of my absolute favorites were probably the cardigan, the bomber jacket, the crop top, and then the distressed jeans. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping those. Now, I didn't really care for the strappy purple top or the navy blue off the shoulder top. Like, I don't know, I just didn't love those as much as I love the other pieces. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up sending those back. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention at the bottom of the box, it came with this little packing slip as well as the little return bag in case you want to send anything back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing haul. Let me know in the comments what some of your favorite pieces were. And in my personal opinion, I feel that you're paying for a really great service. Like, you're not only getting your own personal shopper, but you're also getting the convenience of trying on clothes in the comfort of your own home. Like, you can't beat that. So if you're interested in signing up for Dailylook, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box, as well as a discount code for $10 off your first box. But yeah, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Dailylook for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!